This is Mr. G, and today we're going to learn about the United States. The United States started as 13 colonies, which were actually a part of a country called England, but declared independence in 1776. That means we became our own country. And from there, we grew from 13 states to 50 states, from Mexico in the south up to Canada in the north. That's where you can find the Great Lakes, which are so big that you can't see the other side. And they even get waves like an ocean. First president of the United States was George Washington. His face can be found on Mount Rushmore in South Dakota, which is a huge monument with the faces of 4 presidents carved into the side of a mountain: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. There are national parks and monuments like this all over the country. What kind of special place can be found in your state? Today we're going to learn about the A sound, the long A sound, which is made by the letter A and then a consonant. So this could be a lot of different letters here. And then a silent E at the end. We don't say the sound of that E. That E, some people call it the bossy E because it makes the other letters say its name. In this case, it makes the A say its name. So let's look at some examples. For example, if we had A, that'd be A, T. So if we just had those 2 letters, it would be A, T. But when an E comes at the end, it changes it to A, T, 8, as in the word st, 8, st, 8, state. Here are some other examples. Am. But when we add an E to the end, it becomes aim, like in game or came. But the silent E makes the A say A. Let's practice reading some words that have that long A sound in them. Say the letters, sounds as you see them on the screen, and then we'll put them together to make the whole word. G, aim, game, p, ol, 8, p, ol, 8, plate, sh, ape, shape. The high frequency words are ones you want to know how to read and know how to write, and they're not always spelled the way they sound. So let's make sure we remember how to say these. Try to say the word when you see it on the screen, and if you don't know how, say it after I do. Today. Some. Way. Now. Why? Away. Joke time. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ida. Ida who? Idaho, not Idaho, Idaho. Idaho is the name of one of the 50 states. Now it's time for the spelling words. I'm going to say each word. I want you to try to write it down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper when you hear the word. Do the best you can and pause the video to give yourself time to write it. And then when you're finished writing the word, you can unpause the video by clicking it or touching it to see if you spelled the word correctly. For each word that you spelled right, give yourself a star, because on the United States flag, there are 50 stars to represent the 50 states. All right, are you ready? The first word is make. Take. That rhymes with make, so we just change the beginning. Take. Came. Game. Gate. Late. chin. That's one of our ch words from last time. Graph. Remember, that's a different way to make the f sound. Af. That one doesn't have an F for the f sound. It makes the same sound as F, but it's the PH. Some. Today. All right, how many did you get correct? Make sure you give yourself 1 star for each one that you got right. How many stars did you get? You can learn about the capital cities of every state and see drawings of what you could find there in this Tour of the States song.